This new dawn signifies not just the start of a day, but a fresh beginning filled with potential. Each ray of light brings hope, illuminating the promise of growth, promise of inspiring dreams, of abundance and a brighter future. Welcome to Alphamech Engineers, the epitome of revolution in agriculture, where precision meets innovation in agriculture machineries. At Alphamech, our equipment is designed for performance and reliability, enabling farmers to maximize their productivity and streamline their operations. Our dedicated team combines years of expertise with cutting-edge technology to assemble high-quality agriculture machinery designed to endure the demands of the field. Every machine we create is a testament to our commitment to reliability and durability, empowering farmers to thrive in every season. Founded in 2010 in Rajkot and spanning over 27,000 square feet, Alphamech Engineers is an ISO certified and FSSAI license holder organization committed to manufacturing and has registration as an exporter from Spices Ball.
I am Shivam Gorasia, Director of Alphamech, a distinguished name in the realm of agriculture machinery. Since 2010, we have been dedicated to delivering precision engineered solutions to the agriculture sector, serving vital markets across Africa, including Zambia, Malawi, Congo, Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. Our premium range of products, such as maize grinding mill, diesel engines, vertical turbine pumps, power tillers, and shaft cutters, are crafted to elevate agriculture efficiency and support sustainable farming practices. At Alphamech, we take pride in fostering innovative and empowering farmers with cutting-edge technology and contributing to the long-term growth and resilience of the agriculture landscape.
Now, let us take you behind the scenes of our manufacturing journey. Where we adhere to strict safety standards and precision craftsmanship. Our machineries like MF10 and others are built to perform effortlessly, delivering clean, high-quality output that farmers trust. With Alphamech, farmers experience efficiency and quality, supporting their success every step of the way. Alphamech engines and pumps brings dependable power to where it's needed the most. From remote farms to sprawling fields, these powerful machines keep operations running and crops flourishing. You can trust with Alphamech. Even the most distant farms stay productive and resilient. We believe in empowering farmers to work smarter, not harder, with which cultivation is made easy, bringing smiles and transforming the farming experience. Together, we empower farmers with reliable tools and a shared vision for growth and success. That's why we can say Alphamech is built on trust and partnership. Across Africa, farmers are embracing the future with Alphamech machinery. From Zambia to Uganda, Malawi to Kenya, they operate with ease, clearly satisfied with their results because Alphamech isn't just a machinery, it's a partner in progress. empowering farmers to cultivate success and build a brighter tomorrow. Bring the power of Alphamech to your farm. Reach out to us today. Let's grow together for a better future. Alphamech, driven by commitment to agriculture, devoted to progress, and always here for you. Together, we cultivate success.